Hello. Hello, Sabina.
Hello there, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you now.
Thank you so much for joining this meeting. This is Sabina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. So before starting, can I add my project manager in this meeting for discuss the project?
Sorry?
Actually, my project manager will discuss the project with you. So can I add my project manager?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
Hi there, can you hear me?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I am Iya here, and I am the project manager of Sabina, and I will handle your project. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Sabina was send me all the instruction that you provided her, and I have reviewed it. So actually, it would be great if you share your screen and show me one and two example that how did I do the task.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So give me 2 seconds. Okay, hopefully you can see my screen now.
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So firstly, I sent you two links to these documents, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you got one for the men's artistic gymnastics, or for short, it's just called MAG. And then you have the same also for women. So women's artistic gymnastics, and it's also for short called WAG. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So we have two objectives. Objective number one is to go through the different sections. So if I use the women's as an example, and I go down all the way to the first uh, apparatus section. So here you can see the first section is vault table elements. Okay.
okay,
And then you have a section like this. And then you can see here that we have group one. This is the name of the group. This is the name of this particular move. It has a picture, and it also has points value, and that's it. Okay, so what I want to do is take these details and then extract them, and I'll show you the example I have here for men's into this format. So I have the element name, I have an element alias. So this is sometimes when a gymnast invents a move and they compete it, they put their name onto that move. So let me see if there's an example here, like this. So
yeah,
so this is like the alias name. That's the name of the gymnast that actually created this move. So we put that in the alias section. Of course, the apparatus name. So in this case, it's Vault. So this, of course, again, would also be Vault. Element group. Uh, we have here, we're in element group 1.
one.
And the group description. So the group description is this text here.
Okay, the group description will same for all of the position, right?
So not quite. So under each element, so under each vault, so under vault, for example, we
Vault,
have, so we
okay,
have group 1, and you can see this is also group 1, and now it's for
group
group 2.
two.
So
Yeah,
group 2 is a slightly different
yeah,
group of elements, and it's different for each apparatus. So if I go to uneven bars, for example,
yeah,
you can see the first group. I mean, they've labeled it differently actually in this one. It's a little confusing, but this is the first group. And then if I go down again, you can see it will change. If I get up there,
Yeah, this one is
It-
second group.
it's a different name.
Yeah.
Okay. Now some other details. So things like the element grade. So for Vault, it's a it's a bad example because in Vault they don't have an element grade, but in something like, let me use parallel bars for men's, the element grade has a letter, and the letter
Okay.
also is equal to a score, so the points value. So here it's a difficulty value, an element grade. And if I show you what that looks like here for women's, you can see here this is B,
Yeah.
and then the points that they have here is 3.201.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Cool. So there are some patterns. It's just it just takes time to go through. So you can see I have already gone through and done all of the meds, but it just took me a very long time. So
Okay.
I need some help.
Oh yeah, sure, no worries. I would love to help you to
Ec-
complete the task.
Excellent.
Also, I can see there have some of other column like
Yes, I'll show you all the columns. So we
yeah.
have
Okay.
So we already covered element grade and difficulty value. So the gender, so this again will be the same for all of them. Right now, I've already done all of the men's, so it's all mag. I would like you to do the women, so it will all be WAG. That's it. So
Okay.
that's a static column. It won't change. These ones, are, if I just move this out the way a little bit.
So
Okay,
you already completed the Mac PDF. I just need to work on the WAG PDF for
correct.
women, right? Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, I got it now. Okay.
So for the data entry, it's just the women's. I for the pictures, I need to do the women's and some of the men's. So it's two different tasks, okay?
Okay.
So let me go back to this sheet. So you have the COP ref page. So that basically
Okay.
means the code of points reference page. So what I'm saying here is like page 47, and if you see if I scroll down to where we are, you can see it's page, in this context, it would
83.
be 83.
Yeah.
And then where's my the COP reference number? So it's slightly different for women's um, because it's slightly. Let me show you what it looks like on the men's because it makes sense, but on the women's it's slightly different. So on the men's, they have just a single number here in the corner. I don't know if you can see this. You see, like it says 98, 99, 100. That's the number there. For the
Oh,
women's, it's slightly different.
yeah.
So, in fact, I think I told you something incorrect now that I'm looking at it. So I think this is not the point value. This is actually the reference number, I think, for the women's. I think they did it slightly differently. Okay, so for women's, these would be the reference numbers, not the points. For the points, we can just get it from the grade. So A, B, C, D, etc. Because I think those are exactly the same. Like A is 0.1, B is 0.2, etc., etc. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah. So could you please let me know again the what is the reference number for women? Actually, I forgot it.
Yeah, no problem. So if I go, let me start from the beginning of one section. So we have uneven bars section,
Yeah.
and then it will start with 1.101, and then it will continue to 1.102, and then you have 1.2001, 1.2202. So that's the reference number.
Yeah. Okay, could you please go the sheet again?
Yes.
I just
So it'll be this one.
this one.
Yeah. Code of points, reference, number
Uh,
just there.
Then what is the difficulty value?
Okay, so this is the thing that I'm just noticing actually on the women's, because of course, as you can expect, I don't look at the women's document very much, so I look mainly at the men's document. So this is also new to me. So the points value will be like this. So because we have an A
Yeah.
here, an A is always worth 0.1 points, and a B is always worth 0.2 points.
Okay.
So you can
Yes.
see it as an example here.
Yes,
A,
yes, I got it now.
so
So yes, I understand it now properly.
cool.
Uh, okay. No worries. Yes, I can help you with the task as per your instruction. And just allow me sometimes. I will discuss about it with Sabina. Then Sabina will send you a better quotation for this task. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Let me
Okay.
just make sure we got one more thing covered. So you
Yeah, sure.
see, I have a column here called the reference diagram.
Yeah.
This one you can leave empty. Nothing needs to happen here. Okay, that's
Okay.
because what I will do is I will put after I have all the images, I will put the content here. For
Okay.
this one, where it says senior only, it can either be true or false. And for the women's, let me see if I can find an example of what that looks like. As we have it in the men's, as it puts like a red star or a red circle on the element to show that it's for senior members only and not for like children to do that move because it's too dangerous.
Yeah.
I just need to find what it looks like for the women's. Maybe they won't even have one, to be honest.
And also, what about the images? Do you need images for each position?
Yes. So the way I've been doing it is like this. I would go through each of the go through each of the documents, and then I would take like a screenshot
Okay.
of just this
This
square,
image.
just this square, this image, and then I would save that in the format that I put in the message. So for here, what we have page 32, and I am in
Yeah.
the floor. So it would be MAG floor 32, and then here it would be 98 because I'm on page 32 and the reference number is 98. If I do a women's example, let's see. So let's find an easy example. So I'm in the women's floor. I'm on page 149. So I would save this as WAG dash floor, and then the page number 149.
WAG slash, then what do you say actually?
WAG, then floor, because we're in the floor
Floor. Yeah. Okay.
floor
Floor.
section.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So WAG floor, and then it will be
Page
149
number.
for the
Yeah.
for the page, and then the reference number. So it would be
Okay.
1.101. We might have to change the dot because if I name it with a dot in the file name, it might break something. So maybe we'll have to change it to like 1-101 or something. But as long as it has that number, it's fine.
Okay. Okay. So I will save all images in a folder and delivered it to you in a Google Doc file or any zip file, right?
Yeah, it both works, either zip file or a Google Doc
Google
file,
Drive. Sorry,
whatever.
Google Drive. Yeah.
Yeah,
Google.
sure, that's fine. I would
Okay.
recommend to save all the images in different subfolders. So like put all the floor exercises in one folder, all of the vault exercises in one folder, and then just
Yeah.
because it helps keep it organized. Because that's what I did for the men's. For the so for the men's, I have completed all of the floor and the vault images. So I have done floor and vault already on for the men's. I just need help with the pommel horse. In fact, it's probably easier if I show you like this on here. So I have done the images for the vault. I have also done the images for the floor for the men.
Floor, okay.
So what I need is the parallel bars, or you can see it here as P bars, but in the document it's parallel bars. That's rings.
Okay, so I need to collect only the images for man, right?
Correct. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
only for these ones. So parallel bars, rings, horizontal bar, which one? Parallel bar, horizontal bar, pommel horse, and rings. Those are the
Rings.
only images that I need for beds. I did the rest already.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, yes, I totally clear with it.
Okay.
Okay.
What we can do is if we start with maybe just like one small section, just so we can confirm everything is, being saved correctly and all the data is working. We can maybe do like one group of images from the men's. So maybe you could start with rings or something because there's not many moves in rings is a good place to start. And then for the women's data entry, if we pick something small like the floor or something like that to start, and then we'll review it, make sure everything's okay. And then if it's all good, then we can do the rest.
No worries about it. I can, if you want, I can do an update after the order. I can send you an update that you can check the quality from your end. Also, I have a team, and I believe that I can do it properly as per your instruction. And I will send you an update first that what I have done. Then you can check it from your end, and if you need any changes or if you need any fixing, then you can let me know. I will work again as per your request and continue with the task with the same process. What do you think about it?
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
okay. Thank you so much. Okay, no worries. Just allow me a few moments. I need to discuss with my with Sabina, and then Sabina will send you a better quotation for the full project. Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
So basically, I need to collect only the images for the four parts that you are showing me right now, and for WAG, this is WAG maybe, right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So
This
this
is
this one
for
this one here is the WAG. So WAG, I
yeah.
need all images and all
All
data.
images and all data. Okay,
Yeah.
yes. Also, could you please send me the Google Sheet to Sabina's inbox, and it would be great for me.
Yeah, well, I was thinking actually if you can just save it as any CSV and then just send me the CSV afterwards, and then I'll just add it to this afterwards. It's just as easy. It's the same.
Yes, I understand, but uh, actually, I need to know that the name of the man's images. That's why I need the sheet. Like,
So the men's images are not actually stored at all in the sheet.
okay.
See, they're actually here. They're actually in my local file. I'll show you an example. Let me just reshare 1 second. Let me just quickly open this 1 second. Uh, okay. Hopefully you can see my Explorer right now.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so yeah, it's like this. So you see I have a code of points, and then I have MAG, and then I have floor, and then you can see this is all of the individual pictures, and it's like mag, floor, page 28, reference number 1, and then
Yeah.
so on and so forth.
Yes, I understand, but in your PDF file that I need to collect the images for Mag, and there have four options. So it would be great if you send me the name of the options that which pages I need to collect the images in inbox, or you can also share your spreadsheet also. That it would be great to find out in your image in your PDF file.
I'm not sure I understand because I think you should have everything you need just from these, because these numbers are only just references to the PDF. Let me just go back to the,
Can you please go again your sheet?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we
So
are.
the first one was this PBAR, PBAR, and second tab is H bar or
Yeah,
Haber, right? So I need colored P bar, H bar, and P horse and rings, right?
yes.
Just send the four category in the inbox. Then I can get the images from your PDF file. I just need this. I just need just this four categories name.
Ah, okay. Do you need the whole sheet or just the actual names?
If you send me the sheet, it would be great for me. And or if you do not want to share the sheet, then you just send me the category name in Excel. I just um, make sure the category name.
Yeah.
Then I will collect the images from your PDF file.
Okay, I'll send you the category names. I think that will be
Yeah.
probably easier. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
cool.
Okay, thank you
It,
so much.
no
Just
problem.
allow me sometimes. Sabina will send you a better quotation for the task. Okay.
Mhm.
Then before starting the order, I will send you a few example and update you. Then you can check your from your end. Then if you need any fixing, or if you see any issue, then you just let me know. I will go with the process that you are that is okay for you. No worries.
Okay, sounds good. So thank you
Okay,
so much for your
thank you
time.
so much. Okay, bye
Uh,
bye.
Thank you. Bye.